But the tampo design on this is like one of the older Datsuns that, you know, back in the Blackwall days. So that looks pretty cool. Everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Got a text from my buddy the other day, James. He says, hey, go down to Price Chopper and they got the spring cars out. So I did, and I got them. Thanks, James. Let's see what's going on. There are 5 cars in the spring series this year. Usually are 5 cars. And they're all pretty cool. There are no fantasy castings in there. They are all real cars. So I'm sure a lot of guys are going to want to go and get these. Because I always hear, oh, I don't like the fantasy cars. I don't like this. All right, they're all real, okay? Normal cars. The first one up, number 1, is 2016 BMW M2. And that is done in white enamel. Got blue and black tampos on it. You know, this looks pretty good. I like the tampo colors and the way this one is set up. The interior is black. The windows are lightly blue tinted, and it goes with the dark blue tinted PR5s that are on it all the way around. Has a black plastic base. There's nothing on the headlights, nothing on the taillights, but side tampo is pretty cool. You know, that's got some decent detail to it. So there you go. Number 1 is the 2016 BMW M2. Number 2. Now, I know a lot of people are going to go bananas over this one. All right. This is the Nissan Fairlady Z. And that is done in a semi-gloss tan, which actually looks like a primer sealer, a Sikkens, Sikkens, is the name of the product that I used to do. I used to use on the buses when I worked at Bus Industries, Orion Bus. So if you guys see an Orion bus running around your town, I probably worked on that one. I might have painted it. I might have done sheet metal work on it. Who knows? I did a lot of stuff back then at Orion Bus. But yeah, it looks like Sikkens primer. And I'm, you know, not a big fan of that color, but hey, what the heck. But the tampo design on this is like one of the older Datsuns that, you know, back in the Blackwall days. So that looks pretty cool. It's orange and got some light blue on there. And on the side also white, light blue, and orange tampos. The interior is black. Windows are lightly blue tinted again. I'm going to say the black interior goes for the front bumper and the rear panel. There's no, that doesn't look like a bumper, just looks like a roll pan there, but the back panel is black plastic. Wheels are blacked out MC5s with an orange chrome ring on them, all small ones all the way around. And has a tan plastic base to match the color of the car. So there you go, Nissan Fairlady Z. I'm sure a lot of guys are going to go for that one. Number 3 is the 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger, and that is done in let's see, what would that be, like sassafras green back then, or if it was an AMC color, it'd be big bad green. So, man, I love the colors and names that they would have for them back then. Really cool. It has blue and green and black and white tampos on the side. Nothing up on the top. Windows, lightly blue tinted. Must be a theme going on here. Wheels, blacked out Steelies. And you know what? I got to tell you what. These look like the Mopar rally wheels. If they would do those gray and put them on here, it would look just like the Mopar rally wheels. I gotta talk to those guys. That looks pretty cool. But yeah, blacked out Steelies, and they have a really thin white ring around them. all small ones, all the way around. The interior, actually, the interior is purple plastic. And the shaker hood scoop up through the hood, and the front grille coming through there is also purple plastic. And that is it. Well, it's got a black plastic base on it. So there you go, 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger. Cool. Number 4 is the 67 Shelby GT500. And that is done in a light blue enamel. No tampos up on the top or anything, just on the sides. Got purple and orange and white. It says Spring 2021 on the quarter panel there. It's got that rabbit guy there. Interior is orange, and the windows looks like tinted yellow. So no more blue, it's yellow. Really light tinted yellow. The wheels are gold chrome 5-spoke small ones all the way around. Has a chrome base on it. And chrome front grille coming through there, which is part of the base. And that is it for the 67 Shelby GT500. Last one up, number 5. 1977 Pontiac Firebird TA. And that is done in a really light orange. I mean, like a faded orange. Has green tampos up on the hood. You know, well, it's not even the super chick in there, you know, or whatever that thing is. But looks pretty cool. It's really nice. And also green tampos on the side. Got some flames. And it says Spring 2021 down there on the rocker panel. And it's got 21 on the quarter panel. Wheels are gold PR5s. Got big ones in the back, littler ones in the front. Interior is looks like gold pearl plastic. Windows are green, a light green tint. So of course, as we always do, keep looking for the window to be either really light, really dark, or 15 shades in between. But the green always has a variation in it, so keep your eyes open. And it has a black plastic base. So there you go, the 1977 Pontiac Firebird TA. Here are all 5 of the Spring Edition cars. We got them at Price Chopper, which is our grocery store. I'm sure, whatever grocery store you guys have, wherever you live, will probably carry them. I don't know, put in the comments what stores you guys are finding these in. They're in a shipper, the blue one. You might, happen to see it and think it's, just the regular release cars, the mainline cars, but it's just filled with these. So yeah, let us know what stores you guys are finding these in for everybody else, and it'd be really cool. So that's about it. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe, and please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, guys, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.